What up, Rod Squad? So this week I just did a randy little vlog. Here's me pooping, and I hope you enjoy. Bye! May I offer you a spotted wine? This is the Jock.
This is for the vlog.
Hey guys! Say what's up, Rod Squad?
Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
For all the glass.
Yeah.
Where's it go? Where's the glass? Where's the
Oh my god, it's gonna go.
Oh my god, I like this.
¿Cuánto me gusta ese We're on our way to LA.
A 20 no li vais, a 20 dólares.
We're here outside a Randy store eating palatations. And I guess I'm gonna drink. So we're in the car. I finished my lollipop popsicle. There's a car of it, it's crazy.
Don't hate the bike.
Beat the game.
I'm a bike person too. You know, driving here is like driving in Sacramento.
Super cool Bob Marley and John Lennon electricity thingy shit, my bobber. Fancy ass rims, what the hell?
On that car? Where Bruno Mars recorded his video. I don't know which one. This song.
Video to this song. So we're gonna go to the mall.
We're gonna hit Anna.
Okay, live.
We're about to go see a plastic surgeon for my half house.
We just went to CPK right there.
And Mori flashed the waiter. Literally.
We are here. We are here live in the Nordstrom bag. But it smells like caca. You keep using it. Oh my god, it smells like shit. Seriously, guys. Oh. I'm not gonna make it out alive. Alright, so we're out of the mall. We're tired. I bought 3 bras. Son of a... Alright, so now we're going to the pool. This makes it seem like we have really eventful lives, but we don't. It's just today. Pool time, pool time, pool time. Yeah. Say hi, Mia and Hillary.
You're Mary sipping on her mimosa.
Hi, Jojo.
Naranja se echaron a perder.
Hi, Joe. Better than swimming lessons with Mary. She just throws him underwater and holds him there hostage. Poor children. And then Vanya would be like, just keep your head out of water.
sister. How does it feel to be kicked out of the pool?
We just got kicked out of the pool, but fucking a wannabe Poplar at the mall cop. He was so rude. So rude. Alright guys, so that's this week's video. The guy kicked us out because we had food. What a jerk. Never going back to that pool again. Just kidding, it's close to my house, so I'll probably go back again. Anyways, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog / just Ikea and then Thursday. Alright, bye guys. Bye.